there. Today I wanted to show you our newest purchase that we just got in and completed a project. And I am Laura, and I wanted to show you in case you had a problem with a bed that is missing its bolts. Yes, so actually we bought this bed repurposed to use in my daughter's room, and it was missing bolts. These are not easy to come by. These are not easily found locally, I will tell you that. But these came in its own little box. There were 10 of them. So 10 of the bolts and 10 of the nuts that go on the ends. I was a little bit confused when we ordered them because some of the places count this is one and this is one, but this company actually says you get all 10. So 10 as a set, which is perfect because we needed 8 of them to get the bed together. So we have 2 left over just in case we find something else that doesn't need this. This fit perfectly into the furniture, stayed on nice and tight. We were able to screw it on as long as we needed it into the slats of the bed. So if you happen to find yourself in an issue putting together a project that is missing some bolts, then this would be exactly what you need.